In Unit 3, one of the topics we looked at was providing clear feedback to students. To help students with their writing, it is equally important to be very clear with them even before they begin writing about what feedback we will give them. Again, remember when working with your students' writing, even with the first draft, you have to be aware that students have often put a lot of time and effort into what they give you. For that reason, it is important to provide them with the expectations for the writing so that they know what areas of their writing you will be looking at. A great way to do this is to share with your students a rubric you will use when you review their writing. This helps to ensure that there are common expectations of the kind of feedback that your students will receive. Then you can use the rubric to review your students' work and provide them with positive feedback and guidance on how to improve the writing. You'll notice that the rubric you've been provided as part of this course and that you see here is divided into sections that provide prompts for thinking about a student's writing. On the top, there is space to provide a rating in 4 categories: ideas, organization, sentence fluency and grammar, and vocabulary. You can use the categories of excellent, good, fair, and poor. Below that, it provides space for you to give feedback on the student's strengths and needs, as well as weaknesses. There is also space for you to reflect on what you'll focus on next with your students. Think of rubrics as guides and tools to assist you. They are designed to be used during one-on-one conferencing with students, but if you find your time is limited, consider using the rubric as a way to evaluate the needs of your class as a whole based on a review of their writing patterns. Also consider ways you might adapt the rubric to fit the skill level and needs of your students. On this next slide, and the sample rubric you have been provided, is an example of what a completed rubric might look like. Take a moment to review how it is completed to help prepare you for completing your own rubric later in this unit.